Need reliable data for your research or academic project? StatsWork offers end-to-end data collection services tailored for your objectives. We handle primary, secondary, and mixed methods data collection through online surveys, interviews, Skype calls, or trusted journal sources. Whether you're targeting students, CEOs, or niche populations, we design the right tools, collect clean data, and ensure quality through expert supervision. Our team includes research methodology experts, trained data collectors, statisticians, and quality checkers, all working together to deliver trustworthy data. You receive data that's audit-ready, entered, cleaned, coded, and delivered in Excel or SPSS formats, complete with documentation, templates, and analysis-ready reports. From sample design to final delivery, StatsWork ensures accuracy, security, and 24/7 support. Start your data collection journey with us today.